Hey everybody, Sam Evans of StockAbility here with you. Want to keep this short and sweet. It's just gone 10:41 here on the East Coast. Just joining you from the US East Coast on here. It's March 29th. Wanted to show you today's trade. Today's trade was a short around 32,950, and I just closed out for a profit just before this important 32,800 area. Why might you be asking that? Yes, the market is still in an uptrend, no doubt about that. And any shorts I take, I am ruthless on. I am an opportunist. I've always said that. As a day trader, my job is to get in, get out, and be done and move on to other things for the day. That's my style. That's what works for me. We had that massive push on Friday late afternoon going into the close, and then we sold off a bit overnight and then took another stab. And to me, it was like, if you can't break these highs, price action is telling me we're going to probably get some selling pressure, and that's exactly what we did as well. But what's more interesting is I want to blow up this chart here, and the lesson here is don't mess around with your stops and hold out for your targets. Okay, I had a target out there and walked away from the screen. You'll see here, this is where I get in, where it says 3 limit orders, and moving over, this is, you'll see where my exit was just around here, around 850. This was the trade. But what I want you to notice on here when I got into the trade, and the trade was entered around 940. Let's just see on here, around 940. Trade was exited around 1037. I was away from most of this with my targets and so on. Had a pretty tight stop on this, but notice what happened here. Up, down, started to work out well, and then came all the way back to my entry point and then broke down later. Do not be fazed by that. The market will punish you if you are not ruthless and step away from the screen. The watch pot never boils. Do I think this could go a little bit lower? I do actually feel it could go a little bit lower, but it hit my objective profit target. I might do something else later. Heck, I may not as well. I look for the home runs when do the long-term trades, and on these short-term trades, just get in, get out, and move on to something else. How did it work out for today? So after commissions, $1,485 profit for about $500 risk, so just over 3 to 1 on the day. That's what it's all about. That's what we do at StockAbility. If you want to find out more, you know where to find us. Have a great day. Happy trading, everybody, and I'll speak to you real soon. Thank you.